we made a presentation and we said what is the kind of contribution microfinance is making to the society, to the economy, and how it is helping in the financial inclusion. But then unfortunately, because of certain issues, one is that funding requirement of the microfinance institutions are a challenge at the moment, because getting loans from the banks and development finance institutions are a little challenging for especially the mid-size and smaller size MFIs. So we requested for a dedicated funding for microfinance institution, number one. Number two, maybe a credit guarantee mechanism so that MFIs can borrow much more easily from the banks and DFIs. Third one is probably a equity funding mechanism for the smaller MFIs so that they can grow and they can expand their operations. So these are the three things. And there was also a request for a separate fund for Northeastern region because of the kind of troubles they are facing. So we should have, and the kind of banking facilities they have. Probably MFI can play a major role if they can get some funding support.
Anything with regard to regulation, the recent RBI regulation?
That is, in recent regulation we also discussed about the definition of qualifying assets. In definition of qualifying assets, it was changed from net assets to the total assets in the new regulatory framework. Although the percentage has been increased from 85% to 75% for the non-qualifying part, but because of the changed definition, that benefit is not getting accrued for many of the MFIs. So probably a relook to that is required.
Okay, and one last thing, that is with regard to co-lending activities. There was an issue related to the GST waiver on co-lending activities. So did you raise this issue?
Yeah, that was also raised, and Secretary has asked for a detailed note on that.